Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings. On the application of Duolingo, we go to settings here. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Duolingo app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.